All right, good morning. Kichukwu here. Today is February 12th. It's Thursday, February 12th, 2026. The market just opened up here, so we're going to see price action moving. It was lovely. I'm already in here. I think I'm gonna go. Think I'm gonna go in again. I think I'm gonna jump in. I want to get into contracts, so just gonna watch what happens. Yeah, I'm already in there. I want to get into contracts, so at least 2 or 3 contracts, if I'm not mistaken there. But the risk for me is right out there, so I gotta worry about that risk. I gotta be careful about that. I really wanted to trade these with options today. I really wanted to do that, but I mean, I really wanted it to be trading options today, and not this small account. But I'm already in there, so it's fine. I can still trade options, but I'm already trading this. That's fine. All right, the market is moving in my direction. This is good. This is something. This is good. This is what I like to see. I'm gonna add in the second contract here. I just want to see this wait for this candle to close before I can add in the second contract. Maybe even a third one too. All right, this is lovely. I love this. I'm loving this. I'm really loving. I'm really liking this. I like what I'm seeing here. This is lovely. So yeah, this is lovely. Yeah, I want to add at least at least one more contract. I actually want to add 2 more contracts. Right now, adding it down here, it's just way too risky for me now. I gotta be careful right now. So okay, I'm still gonna add more contracts. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close before I before I can try and add one more contract. So with this trade, I wasn't sure what the direction was, because on the daily chart, as you can see on the daily chart, uh, it was not very clear, right? So I'm gonna add one more contract with this closing of this candle. So I want to see that candle close there. All right, so I'm gonna go in again there, and I may add one more contract too. I may add one more, but I think this might pull back a little bit. It might pull back a little bit, so I'm not gonna be adding one more down here. I'll wait for to see if there's a pullback. If it pulls back, I may add one more. But let's see what happens. So let's see what happens. Yesterday was a beautiful day. Yesterday, but I actually did not take. Well, I did take a trade, as you can see. I did take a trade there, and just closed there for like a scratch. What is it for, like $2? So that was something. So I did take a trade, but I missed the whole trend, and that's fine. I was okay staying out. That's what happened yesterday, right? So today, let's see what happens today. I, if this is gonna be like a red day, like I'm hoping like I'm hoping it's gonna be, then we're probably looking at a massive red day to the downside, right? So um, So now this is pulling back now. I gotta be careful right here because if it starts going all the way back, you know, going all the way back to this point, then it's a big loss for me, right? So, but I have to take that loss, right? Because that would be an invalidation of my thesis, right? So yeah, this was the pullback I was looking for. Now I'm not sure if I should be adding more there. I'm not sure if I should be adding more because if this goes all the way over here, then I'm wrong. Then I want to jump. I want to be out, not adding short. I want to be like actually out of the trade. So I may add more if I get a, if I get a sign that it's going down, then I will add more, right? But right now, I'm not gonna be adding anything now until I can confirm that, obviously it is going up, going down, or going up. So if it is going up, then I have to get out, and then if I'm gonna take an uptrend trade, then I have to be, I have to see if the risk is worth it or if I have to take it or not, right? So if it's worth it for me to take it or not, right? All right, Nasdaq is pretty much in sync with what the SPX is doing, but well, I guess it's Nasdaq, so it's pretty much in sync with what the SPX is doing, right? All right, let's go. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I wonder what the 15 minutes is though. So this is what we'll see in the 15 minutes. I want to see this kind of keep going down. If it goes keep on going down, then that might be where I may want to add one more contract down as it goes down, right? So that's what I want to see, right? So far, this is all right. So that pullback there is pure weakness. But let's see if it holds or not. Um, you never can tell, right? So you never can tell if it holds or not. Let's see if it holds. So that's pure weakness to me. I kind of want to get in again. All right, I'm gonna get in again. Top loss for that one that I get in there will be this one. If it comes over here, I may have to take it out because I just can't have three contracts there like that. It's way too big for this account. I can probably manage two, but I cannot uh, deal with three. Right? So I need to see this start. Like actually start going down. Right? So right away, because that if it's going down right away, that tells me that okay, you know, the trend might be down. But if it's not doing that and it's just wasting time, then I may have to get out of that one contract there because I'm not obviously very comfortable with it. All right, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's go, let's go. There was a news this morning. Unemployment claims came in at 227,000. The forecast was 222, 222K. This came in at 8:30 this morning. So let's see. The whole thing, my whole worry about this trade is that if you look at the daily chart, you can see that uh, you know this candle was bearish yesterday, but look at where it closed, right? So the close, and look at where it closed, look at how it closed, and also look at how this candle opened, right? So I would have been more confident if this candle kind of was a little bit lower. That would have given me more confidence, right? But again, this I think this trade, it could be a very good trade. Let's just see what happens. I'm willing to to see what happens, as long as it doesn't meet my expectations or my what I was hoping to see. I would not hesitate to jump out, to get out if I have to, right? So my thesis is, it's to the downside. I want to see that. I want to see that play out. If there's any that doesn't happen right away, then I have to start unwinding my position, and I have to start getting out my position, right? Starting with this, taking out one contract there just to kind of do that. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see this pull. I want to see this flush down. I want to see that. I want to see that flush. Let's go. And I really wish I was trading this with options. I really wish I was trading that with options. Man, my options account. Let's go. I want to see that flush. Let's go. All right, let's go. I want to see the flush. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see that flush. Let's go. 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 I want to see that flush. I want to see it. I want to see the flush. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see it. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see that flush. Let's go. 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 I want to see that flush. I want to see that. I mean, like if you look at this, you can see this was yesterday. You can see what happened there yesterday, right? So this was the low of yesterday. I'm thinking it might get there today. It might get to that low if eventually this is gonna go. If eventually the price action today is headed down, it might get to this low right here, um, which is what I'm targeting anyway. But I'm not gonna hold all my positions hoping that it's gonna get there. I'm gonna like pretty much offset my positions as it starts coming down. But on the other hand, if this starts reversion, starts going up, then I have causes to be worried, right? Then this might be a high that is possible, right? Um, but then again, let us see. It looks bearish. That's why I'm short. It does look bearish. I just hope this plays out. And one thing that I kind of notice here is that this is different. The way the price is trending is different, especially on the 15 minutes, is different from yesterday. If you look at the candle is much more slower. The pace of the candle is much more slower than how fast and how quick yesterday's candle was, right? So it tells me this might take quite a lot of time to kind of unwind. This trade might take a lot of time to unwind. Like, might take a lot of time to achieve its target if eventually it's going downwards, right? So, but let's see. Come on, go, 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 go. What's going on? Come on, go. Go down. Go down, man. Go down, man. Go down, man. All right. So what happened there? Um, yeah. I'm not liking what it's doing. So I want it to be going down, not going up. And you know, so I want it to be going down, not going up, right? And I don't like what I'm seeing here. I don't like what it's doing. Well, I mean, this is just I guess it's just a normal retracement. But I have three contracts here. I don't yeah, like. I mean, I'm not comfortable having that three contracts. I'd rather have two contracts and just watch the retracement. Um, I'm not even liking this. No, I'm not liking that. I don't. I'm thinking I have to close because that's my thesis. I have to close one of these trades unless this starts going down, right? So, um, like this has to start going down right away. You know, if not, then I'm not comfortable with with holding three contracts. You know. Well, Nasdaq and SPX are still doing the same thing, so they're still in sync. That's one thing that I'm, I guess, happy about. At least both of these instruments are still in sync. That's a good thing. When they're in sync, that's a good thing. But when they're not in sync, that's not good, right? So yeah, this is more or less slow. I guess it's gonna be what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a kind of slow moving day, and to until it achieves its target. I think I hope so. I don't know. All right, as I guess as long as it doesn't go above this, I guess I'm still okay. But it could still go above it, and I'll still be okay. But I don't think I want to hold that risk if it ever goes above it. I really don't think I want to hold that risk because I have three contracts, right? So if this ever flips to the upside here, because that this is my stop loss, this is where the stop loss for these trades or these trades would be, right? So if that flips up there, then that's gonna be a big loss on that account, right? So and I wouldn't want that. Maybe for two contracts, but not for three contracts, right? So all right, so it's moving down now. Let's see if this holds up there, or if let's see. All right, I'm liking this. So let's go. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So let's go. I'm liking this. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, shall we? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Feels like it's going down, then suddenly it starts going up. Okay, so I'm not liking this. I'm not liking what it's doing right now. Not a single bit. Um, I'm not liking that. Right? So I'm not really liking that. Yeah, I'm not liking that. But I mean, you can imagine if I had a stop loss here, that would have taken me out of that stop loss, right? So, but I mean, but the stop loss for this trade really is just down over there. That's where the real stop loss is. But for this, well, that's the real stop loss for the two contracts. For these two contracts, but this last contract that I added here, the stop loss for me would be here, would be there, and it just ran through it, right? Again, but it just ran through it and then starts coming down, right? So this is still bearish, right? So this is still bearish, for the fact that it has been sitting down on those downtrend tells me that this is bearish, right? The trend could still change, but it hasn't yet changed. Like it hasn't yet changed. This is still, you can see this is still this is weakness in the market, right? Yeah. So let's go. Not sure why this is taking time now, but we hang on this trade. We'll hang on this trade to see. Yeah, this is so much different from yesterday. Yesterday was just so quick. Now this one is just, yeah, this is just really different. Tomorrow is gonna be an interesting day. Tomorrow is CPI. That's the news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. It's gonna be an interesting day, and I'm just beginning to kind of think how it might play out tomorrow. Right, I'm beginning to kind of think about it. Um, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just looking forward to it. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna be like a massive red day, or it'd be nice? It would be interesting to know that. I don't know. So let's see if this continues going down now, or if this, see what happens there, change of trend or whatnot. All right, that's tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI. That's a big day tomorrow, but that's just about it. Next week, not so much next week. FOMC meeting minutes, unemployment claims, advanced GDP Q over Q, core PCE, and manufacturing and services PMI. That's for next week. I want to get into um, so what's going on? So busy week of economic data release continues this morning with the release of reports on existing home sales and initial jobless claims. Cisco stock falls amid memory shortage concerns. Shares of Cisco systems are stumbling Thursday amid investor concerns about the impact of an ongoing memory chip shortage on the networking hardware makers' margin. Uploving slides as revenue growth disappoints. Budweiser parent AB InBev reports strong results. That's just about the news. Yeah, I love the slow. This the slower pace kind of. I guess I can say I love it. In a way, that was different from yesterday. Yesterday was pretty fast moving price action. So let's see what happens here today. Um, let's see what happens here today. All right, this candle just closed. Let's see what this one brings. This is slow moving price action. If I don't get what I'm looking for, I'm gonna like reduce my risk because this three contracts is not what I would normally trade, right? So yeah, I'm not. This is not what I want to see, right? So um, I don't. This is not what I want to see, right? I don't want to see this. I'm gonna close one, right? I'm gonna close that. That's not what I want to see. Just leave this at two, right? Leave it at two here. Yeah, this is not what I want to see. I want to see this continue going down, but I'm seeing this instead, right? I'm seeing this instead. This is not what I want to see. No, absolutely not. Um, absolutely not. So the best thing I could do there is just to reduce my risk. If it starts going down, sure, I could add it back. But right now, it's not what I want to see. Yeah, this is not what I want to see. This is not what I want to see. This is not what I want to see on this chat. No, it's not. Okay, so it's going down now, isn't it? Man, that's one thing about this, slow price action is that kind of messes with you, right? So I'm thinking of adding this back again. I don't know, man. This is crazy, man. I'm thinking of adding it back again. I think I'm gonna add it back, right? Yeah, I'm gonna add it back. I'm gonna add it. I'm just gonna add it back there. I'm gonna add it back. And the slowness of this transaction really kills me, man. It's not going right away like it would normally be going. It's just slow, you know. Man, this drives me crazy, man. Well, finally, it's moving. Let's see if it continues going down. It really has to. So it looks like it's just moving now. Yeah, all right, beautiful. So let's go. This is beautiful. Let's go. All right, so this is good. This is good. Let's go. 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 Beautiful. Let's go. Beautiful. Let's go. Beautiful. 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 This is beautiful. Let's go. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go. This is what I want to see now. Yeah, this is what I want to see right now. Yeah, this is what I want to see. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Let's go. Beautiful. 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 Let's go. Beautiful. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Let's go. Nice. 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 Lovely. 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. This is beautiful. This is such a beautiful thing to see. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love this. Let's go. So looking at this trade now, so obviously the direction is towards the downside. So that's what it looks like. Now the next question is where's the target for this trade, right? So knowing that tomorrow is CPI, knowing that fact, I kind of have to be a little bit, I guess a little bit cautious. Um, I could take out some right here. I could take out like maybe one contract right over there. But I think this trade, because yes, this was yesterday, right? So this low here was yesterday. So I'm thinking there's a real possibility that this might actually get down here today. Like there's actually a very real possibility to me that this might get down here today, right? So I kind of wanna hold this trade to this point, at least two contracts to this point, or very near to this point, right? So it's beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. This is what I'm talking about right now. This is beautiful. This is what I love to see. This is what I want to see. Let's go. This is beautiful. This is what I want to see. This is beautiful. Beautiful stuff to see. Beautiful thing. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. This is beautiful. This is very beautiful. This is very lovely. Very lovely. So like now I could decide to take out, because I mean it's obviously very close to this, well, at least very close. I could decide to take out like like a one or two contracts, right? So, well, not two, but at least one contract, right? I could decide to take out one contract, then kind of hold the rest, and just let that rest, let the those two contracts there kind of run. So this is beautiful, man. I wish I was trading these options. I really do wish that. Uh, but it is what it is. Uh, that so I'm thinking, should I be taking out? I'm gonna take out that one. Yeah, I'm gonna take out one trade there, just to kind of have that peace of mind. So this rest of the trade, I may have to just let it get there, see what happens, right? So take profit. This is beautiful, beautiful trade. Take profit. I'm going to I'm going to put one there, one contract there. So that's still a lot. That's about 20 points, right? So that's good. I want to see that. So now I do have peace of mind. Just letting this trade right now. I feel comfortable letting it right now. Letting the trade kind of ride out. So this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. This is beautiful. This is very beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm loving this. So the rest of the trade, I'm gonna let that those ones to kind of get to this low here. This is my target. So I'm gonna let that ride. I'm gonna let that ride. And I may not even look at my profits again. I don't want to see that. Just what I want to see is just you know my target getting hit. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see that floating P&L there, because that may get me too close too early. So I've already taken out profits on one contract. That's lovely. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful stuff. I'm loving it. Beautiful stuff. I'm loving this. Really loving this. Beautiful stuff. I'm really loving this. Yeah, there's still at least, 10 more dollars or $12 more on the table right here that I, 14 more dollars on the table, right? Man, this is lovely. This is a lovely stuff. Yeah, about 14 more dollars on the table that I would like. So I wanted to get pretty close to the spot. Then I'm gonna take out, uh, like one contract or something like that. So just gonna let it get there, very close there. Beautiful stuff. This is beautiful stuff. Beautiful indeed. Very lovely stuff. Very lovely. I love it. I love it. I'm kind of having double mind if I should take out one more contract there. I'm really thinking about that. Um, so I was thinking about this in terms of risk to reward. Let me just calculate this because I didn't even do that calculation there. So in terms of risk to reward, it was there. So it's just about, what is it? The ratio is just about 1.2. So 1.21. If you bring it down all the way there, then it's just about 2 to 1, right? 2 to 1 ratio, which is good, which is actually very good. Man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow, what a day. This is beautiful. This is lovely. There's still more there, which is about 10 to 12 more points just before at this low there. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Lovely. Yeah. So assuming I had bought, just looking at the puts, the put contract that I was looking at before getting into this trade, uh, those uh, those put contracts just pretty much doubled. Actually, one of them just tripled. Actually, yeah, I mean, there's no need in me looking at this stuff. I want to see this. This is my target, right? So, well, at least close to that. So, looking at this is just gonna make me not kind of pay attention to what I should be paying attention to, right? Which is the price action and not the fluctuations of the currency there. Awesome. Yeah, honestly, it might even make sense to put a stop loss there, just to bring that stop loss there because, you know, you don't want the profit to turn to a loss. This is just one of those points, that I want to do that, right? So, uh, yeah, I think it makes sense for me to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Stop loss 6945.70, but that's not too tight, right? Uh, what is it? 6945.70. Just kind of drag it out of the way there. Um, I still want to capture that, 11 or 12 points, which close to this low here. I still want to capture that, right? And if it does hit there, I'm gonna close at least one more contract. I'm gonna close one more contract, and the other one I kind of wanna, I kind of wanna let it ride there. I just wanna do that. I just wanna do that, right? So I just wanna kind of let it ride, uh, just to see what happens there, right? So, um, but I also wanna close that one contract because I don't want this to hit that stop loss. It's gonna piss me off a lot if it does go back and hit that stop loss there. I'm not gonna like that. So yeah, I'm thinking, should I just take it out? Just take one contract then and just see what happens with the other one. Right. So yeah, I'm conflicted. I feel like I should take out one more profit, uh, take out one more contract there, but I'll be giving up about almost 14 points even, uh, or even more than that actually. Right. So I feel like I should do that. Right. I want to see that hit that 13 points. Man, yeah, today would have been a lovely day to get the puts because this is pretty much, depending on the put contracts that you're getting, this is pretty much, 100% or 200%, 200% appreciation in capital, right? So, and I just missed that. Okay, I'm going to take out one contract there just for my peace of mind. And I'm going to take out that contract for my peace of mind. Yeah, I really want to take it out for my peace of mind, please. For my peace of mind. Yeah, I'm gonna take that out for my peace of mind. And this one could run. My stop loss is there, so I can pretty much go to sleep now and not worry about anything. Right. My stop loss is there, right? So I can pretty much go to sleep. So whatever this trade does, I have my profit. I have my profit. That's just about that, right? So I can pretty much go to sleep. All right. So it's good that I took out that contract because you can see it's pulling back now. So and I pretty much took that out at the low. There's still more to go down lower here, which is to yesterday's low, and even lower than that. To be honest with you, to be even lower than that. So and that's why I'm putting the stop loss there and just letting that this to right out there. So it's a lovely day. This is probably assuming that if I close all my trades in profit, uh, and if I actualize this profit, say this goes lower and I get profit from this will probably be my biggest day so far in this small account. Because if you add this up, that's something really good, right? So this is 30, 40 something, and if you add this one, will be around 50 something, right? 50 something, say 50, 60 something dollars, right? So yeah, it's good. This is good. This is lovely. I'm loving this trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. I mean, looking at this daily, looking at the daily candle, man, you can see looking at the daily candle, right? So um, if you look at this, you can see this is looking more like, it's gonna clean out that low here and even come for this low, right? So it's looking like that. It's looking it's looking like that on the weekly chart. There's more. There's way more to go. There's way more low. It can go lower. Absolutely go lower than that, and it's still going lower, right? Beautiful, man. What's going on this chat today? What is going on here today? What? Oh my God! Whoa! This is beautiful stuff. This is what I want to see. 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 Yeah, I'm thinking I probably should taking out closing this trade now. I'm really thinking about that because it's gonna bounce. Like there's no doubt about that. It's gonna bounce, right? It absolutely gonna bounce. It's absolutely 100% gonna bounce. Absolutely guaranteed. It's gonna bounce. Beautiful, man. This is beautiful trade. This is beautiful trade. Yeah, it's gonna bounce, and I feel like I should be taking out my profit. It's gonna bounce. Should be taking out my profit. Whoa, man, this is crazy. Yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's still going down. It is still going down. Wow. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal price action. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. This is still going down. This is ridiculous. This is phenomenal price action. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Man, this is beautiful stuff. Yeah, this is beautiful. I love this. Yeah. So this might actually be my last trade for today. Even though I'm thinking I may still have to go trade, try and see if I can find a setup in the afternoon. But this could be my last trade for today. Honestly, I don't want to worry so much about it. This could be my last trade for today. Nah, but this is beautiful, man. So that's 50 there, that's 60. So it was almost $70 in profits, and this is only a small account. So $70 in profit compared to the to to my account size here, that's almost 20% or 30% in 30% of gain for a small account. So you can see, right? So this is lovely, man. This is absolutely lovely. I love it. I took out this contract for the peace of mind. Took out this other one for the peace of mind. Let us run and took it out because I think it's gonna bounce, even though it could continue going up. Absolutely love it. Yeah, if it continues going down, that's okay. I already secured profit, right? I already secured my profit, so I'm good. And it's still going down, and it's still going down. This is beautiful, beautiful stuff, man. This is beautiful stuff. Looks like it's about to bounce here. It's absolutely beautiful stuff. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I think this will go lower. I think this could go lower than what it's doing right now. I think it could go lower. Yeah, I definitely think it would go lower than that. Yeah, I definitely think that. I definitely think so. I definitely think that. Yeah, but I'm not gonna be buying any more here. This is absolutely good for me. Wow, this is phenomenal day. This is beautiful. I love this. This is absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful stuff. Man, this is beautiful stuff. Look at that. Look at that. It is still going down. It is still going down. It is still going down. Can you believe that? Beautiful stuff. Man, this is beautiful stuff. Oh my God, this is beautiful stuff. Yeah, this is beautiful. Hmm. Oh God, it is still going up, going down. Yeah, I'm like this is it. I'm not gonna be chasing that. There's always gonna be there's always gonna be a trade. There's always gonna be on the day, right? So I know that. So I'm not gonna be chasing that. I'm done for today. So that's it. Just watch and see. Just kind of curious there, but I'm not gonna be going any more contracts there. Absolutely beautiful stuff. Absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful stuff. Man, that's a beauty. All right, I'm just gonna put down all my trades for today. While we watch that, not interested in any more trades here. So net positive on this account now. Being down from net negative, I'm now net positive on this account. Wonderful. All right. February 12th. Just you know that. Get into the trade. This is 6957.31. So 6956.66. So got in this trade at what time is it? 16:46 is 9:46. Got out at 10:30. SPX 1030. So enter the new. Whew. That is in there. Do this one. 6949.31. 6949.31. 6925.91. 6925.91. Is that correct? 6949.31. Wow, still going down. Whoa, beautiful trade, man. Lovely. Yeah, still going down. So I could have caught about 16 more points. Well, that's fine. So that would have been a lot of money for me though, but that's fine. Absolutely fine. I don't mind that. Yeah, I don't mind that. Yeah, whatever. Um, I'm out of this trade. I don't care what happens. So 1700 is 10 o'clock, 10:51. Oh, which one is this one? 10:51. Let's see what that is. 10:51. That is that. This one is what? 6949.06. 949. 6916.66. 6916.66. So 10:05, 10:55. 10:05. So that last one there, put it. So this one here, 6952.06. 6952.06. 6933.66. 6933.66. So this was 1032, 1039. 1032, 1039, 1032 is right over there. Beautiful. All right. So there might actually be a bounce there. Well, maybe not. Well, actually, there may be a bounce. Could still probably go lower. So I'm happy with this trade. So I'm now net positive on this trade, on this account. Right. So net positive on this account is good. It's good. Okay. All right. It's good. So it's not much easier to trade on this account. So it's still going lower. It's still going lower. Still going lower. What a day, man. This is a beautiful day indeed. A beautiful, beautiful shot for me. Absolutely happy with my trade today. Cannot always buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Whatever the case might be. So yeah, just beautiful trade for me. $9.46, $10.30. $10.30. $10 o'clock, 10:51. Okay, so I gotta do this one then. 10:05, 10:55. $10.32, $10.39. So I'm just gonna put that journal there. This one here. This one there. And this one here too. Confidence in this trade is about 8 confidence. And I'm gonna put that there. Yeah, it's lovely. It's still going down. Yeah, I probably get, what is this? I'm just gonna do that math. Times of probably profit. It's probably, you know, that's almost 30 bucks more, 30 points more. So, but that's fine. That's totally fine. Unless I get my profit, then, you know, try to, yeah, that's totally fine. There's always gonna be another trade. Yeah, look at all this thing that I missed. Yeah, there's always gonna be another trade, right? So that's fine. Not much I can do about that. I'm happy with the one I got, so that's totally fine for me. Yeah, there's bound to be a bounce at the end time now. It's gonna be a bounce on this chart. It's gonna be a bounce. So um, all right, really loving this trade. Really loving it. It's a beautiful trade. It's still going down. It is still going down. It is still going down. It is still going down. It's still going down. Oh my God. Whoa. Yeah, I'll try and see if I can find a trade this afternoon. Um, Maybe, but I don't think I should be worried about finding a trade. You know, again, I'm happy with what I've got. So yeah, if I, you know, assuming I went in with the options on this trade, that would have been a very, 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 very lovely trade. All the options contract now probably 3x, 4x. So those puts that I was looking at, what is it now? Is almost three times or 4 times. So those puts, the OTD puts are now 3 times, 4 times. Yeah. So that one was $71, so almost 4 times. But the one the DTE expiry, what is that? Uh, yeah, that also is like 3 times. So that's 3x. Yeah, whatever, whatever. And this is still going down. Don't tell me this is still going down. This is still going down. Oh my God. I made profit, but I'm beginning to kind of get a little bit mad now. Oof. Yeah, I think it's gonna bounce. That has to happen. That has to be a bounce. I mean, I'm not trading it. I'm not gonna be. Nice. Yeah, it has to bounce. It really has to bounce. Well, maybe not really. Honestly, maybe not. Yeah, it could still keep on going more further down. I really don't see why not. You know, but I actually it has to bounce. It has to bounce as right around this point. It has to be a bounce. Yeah, it has to be a bounce. Absolutely, it has to be a bounce. Yeah, it's crazy. Whew. Yeah, that's a crazy drop. Hmm. Yeah, this may be the bounce. Talking about maybe or maybe not. Whoa, gold price. Gold is down too. Gold is like 3.5. Let's take a look at gold. What is gold doing? Oh, that's nothing. That's nothing compared to SPS. SPS is where's gold? There is gold. Yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, it's 3.5, but that's nothing. Um, BTC I'm also down to NASDAQ, of course, is down, as you know, moving in sync with SPX. So yeah, I mean the market is just pretty much bearish. Yeah, that's probably the bounce. Man, it pisses me out. This is extra. What is it? I'm just gonna do that math. Extra from where I sold is extra 45 points. But I mean, do I know that it's gonna be this is gonna happen today? I don't know that. And if if I decide to get greedy, then I could lose the small profit that I have, right? So I'd rather have that small profits, and leave to trade on the day than hoping to catch that massive day only to kind of lose the small ones that I have. So I'm okay with that. There's always gonna be another day, right? So that's it. There's always gonna be another trade. So I wonder what tomorrow is gonna be. Tomorrow CPI. What? How is the like? It can't go lower than this. I don't think so. Like the CPI has to be. Probably has to be low. The low CPI could not possibly make any lower than the low that we have right now. So right. Okay. I was hoping that there would be. I was hoping that there would be a trade here, but trying to get to go in counter trend, trying to counter trend, but I don't see that. So actually, I think I have to. I'm gonna have to end this stream for today. We're back again tomorrow. I'm just curious what tomorrow would be. I'm really curious about that. What would tomorrow be? Trying to understand that. Um, you know, like this price action itself is just. I mean, it's just phenomenal. I didn't think it was gonna be this heavy. But tomorrow is CPI, right? That's why I'm saying that tomorrow is CPI. Tomorrow is a news day, a very important news, a very important news, right? So if it's that, then I just wonder what it's gonna be, right? What is tomorrow gonna be in terms of in terms of the price action, price movement, right? So I don't know. Could probably be a green day, but tomorrow probably one of those days I have to be careful in what I'm doing, right? So yeah, I'm not sure what happened there on Nasdaq. Data is that that's on the data kind of stopped working. Today, looking at the 15 minutes candle, you can see that today is not it's not looking like a normal day, right? There has not been any reasonable retracement. This is a retracement, but it's not reasonable, right? So it has been just pretty much straight down. It could still be a retracement, but it's not looking like a reasonable day for me. I wanted to chase that, trying to see if I can catch that counter trade, trying to counter trade there. But I mean, what's the point of trying to do that if the whole, if you missed all that stuff, right? So, but I mean, it's still fine. But today doesn't look like a day you could actually counter trade. I mean, look at it, right? It could still bounce. It has to bounce because this is a huge range there that tomorrow being CPI. If it doesn't bounce today, then tomorrow for sure CPI news is gonna bring the market all the way up, right? So that's what I'm thinking. Ooh. Ooh. This might be the pullback. Might be that pullback there. Yeah, it's looking like it. It's looking like it though. It's really looking like it. Yeah, this is it. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. This is a pullback happening there, I think. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, all right. I'm just gonna end this stream there. This is it. I'm not gonna jump in here. Uh, I mean, even though it makes sense because jumping then the risk will be down over here. But I don't want to do that. If I do that, then I will be breaking my rules, which I don't want to do, right? So I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna be closing this stream. Tomorrow is another day, and there will always be a trade, an opportunity. Always, there will always be, right? So okay, all right. Ikechukwu with it here. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. 10 a.m. tomorrow or 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. All right, have a good one.